but we came all this way.
Let me speak to this guy, owl to owl. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
No.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
No, no.
Ooh, ooh.
No! Not if you buy me lunch either. Listen, pal, I'm not letting you guys in.
Oh, mans, there's no getting past this guy.
I've got an idea. Look, there goes Aquaman.
Where?
Right over there, Patrick.
Call me Ocean Master. The throne is mine, Aquaman!
$298, $299, $300. Ooh, that felt good.
Zack Snyder!
A gym in your office. Pretty cool, man.
Thanks, guys. Teen Titans, right?
He knows whose we is.
Zack! May I call you Zack? It's the 365th episode of our show, and we want the best for our fans.